taking a closer look at perimeter and area. In geometry, shapes are forms of objects which have boundary lines, angles, and surfaces. All geometrical shapes have an area and perimeter. There are different formulas for the area and perimeter of every shape that are solved based on the measurements of that specific shape. So, let us learn the area and perimeter formulas in this video. Perimeter. A perimeter is the length of the boundary of a closed geometric shape. It gives the measurement of the distance around that shape. Here are the perimeter formulas for typical geometrical figures. For the sake of a test or in-class quiz, you will be required to commit them to memory. Let's take a look at some examples of formulas being applied. Number 1. Find the perimeter of a rectangular box with length as 7 centimeters and width as 5 centimeters. The length is 7 centimeters and the width is 5 centimeters. Since there are two sides of each, we must find the sum of 7 and 5, then multiply it by 2. 7 centimeters plus 5 centimeters gives us 12 centimeters. 2 multiplied by 12 centimeters gives us, you guessed it, 24 centimeters. Question number 2. Find the perimeter of an isosceles triangle with lengths 10 centimeter, 8 centimeter, and 14 centimeters. Here is our perimeter formula for the triangle. A plus B plus C. Now, we just insert the lengths of each side into the formula. 10 centimeter plus 8 centimeters plus 14 centimeters gives us 32 centimeters. Next, let's take a look at areas. An area is defined as a space occupied by an object or shape. It is measured in squared units. For the sake of an in-class test or quiz, you will be required to commit them to memory. Let's again try some examples using the area formulas. Number 1. Find the area of a rectangle with length 9 centimeters and width 4 centimeters. The formula for finding the area of a rectangle is length times width. The length is 9 centimeters and the width is 4 centimeters. So we multiply 9 times 4 to give us 36 centimeters squared. Number 2. Find the area of an equilateral triangle of sides 10 centimeter and height 7 centimeters. The equilateral triangle tells us that all length of all sides are equal. The formula for finding the area of a triangle is half base times height. The base, because all sides are equal, is 10 centimeters and the height is 7 centimeters. Therefore, half, open bracket, 10 centimeters times 7 centimeters. Next, we multiply the 10 times the 7, which gives us 70. And now we can multiply the half times the 70. And when we do that, we get 45 centimeters squared. If you would like to see more cool math content, you can follow our pages on Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube at SmartyPants242. Until next time, bye.